Alright, for our second unboxing, we got the Volantex RC EX Hobby Warbird series, and we got the, which model?
The T28.
T28. Now, he doesn't know what color I got him though. So let's see what color we got.
It's the yellow one.
Oh, the yellow one, because they have the yellow one, and then they have the red and white one, which is the Air Force, I believe.
But
yeah, we ended up getting the Hobby Zone X Cub, which we'll do a little mini review on later on too.
We told you a little bit.
Well, this is a very small little guy.
Yeah.
Oh, it has a little reinforcement in the wing. See the little carbon spar?
Oh, yep.
So it's got carbon in there, which is pretty nice. That stiffens it up. Yeah. Okay, you hold that, and then we're gonna flip it over and look at.
To me, it's a
very small.
But it looks like a sturdy plane.
Oh, this is the same controller as my the S-Bach. You know the other one?
Oh yeah, that's nice.
Okay. Okay, controller. You know, they're just the cheapy comes with it controller, but it does come with a lot of nice stuff here. Check this out, Sager.
Of course, the wheels are not on it right now.
Nope, wheels are not on it. Gotta put that up there.
But
oh, that's in our way. Put that down here. Okay, so let's see what. Put that down real quick, and we'll see what it comes with.
It is not a tail dragger.
It is a tail dragger.
What?
Oh no, this is not a tail dragger, but that's made for if you're using it without the wheels on it, so that you can land on the grass and not tear up everything. Okay, so we set this little bad boy off to the side here, and then it comes with two blade propeller, and then two extra 3-blade propellers, which is nice.
3 blades.
So the 3-blade is more scale, and that'll fly a little bit slower. They're usually, see, it's a little bit smaller, so it's not quite as big.
But it's still.
So this will go.
Propeller.
Yeah, this will go a little bit faster with this one on it, but it will not have as much punch out. So this one will have more punch out because the two blades are usually a little bit more. Okay, let's see what it got here. Okay, it comes with a
screwdriver.
Okay.
It's a nice blue one.
How many batteries?
2.
And how many milliamp hour are those?
400.
400 milliamp. That's pretty good. That's is that the same size as your Hobby Zone?
I think it.
And look, it's the same charger and same plugs as your Hobby Zone, which is nice. Okay, we're gonna put on, oh, and an extra prop saver.
That's nice.
That's pretty nice.
Nice.
Prop adapter anyway. Okay, here's the landing gear, and they all look different. You got, so which one do you think that's for? Which
back.
Remember, it's 2 in the back and 1 in the front. It's a tricycle. So which one do you think this is, and why do you think it's that way?
I think it's back one.
Nope. Remember, it's 2 in the back. So is there 2 of them that are the same?
2 in the back?
Yeah. Remember, it's a tricycle gear. So a tricycle has 2 wheels in the back and 1 wheel in the front, right?
Oh, yeah.
Ah, okay. So see how this one has the spring on it? So that's for when you land, if you hit the front wheel, it just kind of bounces a little bit. Okay, so let's grab this plane, and we're gonna see how this goes on here. Okay, these go on pretty easy. So look, see how you have a little bit of a, like an indent there? So you push it in, so the wheel has to go forward, obviously.
Yes.
So I think it's like this with the outside ones. I'm assuming.
We're not sure where the battery goes in.
Oh, it goes right here. Same as your little guy.
Navy.
Huh, not sure. We'll have to look at the instructions on this. I think they just screw in there. Don't push them anymore. So this one, I think, just goes in here and it has a screw.
The wheels spin great on it.
Yeah, but see how these are different than that last plane that we looked at. Last plane we looked at was
last episode.
And the last episode was what were they made out of?
Rubber.
Rubber. These ones are like a foam
and rubber
/ rubber, I guess you would say. I don't think this wheel is, no, it's got a
like
screw.
if foam and rubber made a company together. let's just say that.
Yeah, let's just say that. Okay, so it's got one aileron for the wings, and it's just, you know, when you turn it one way, it turns the opposite for the other aileron.
That's
Which,
the aileron.
so the only bad thing about that is if you want to do grass landings without any gear on it, that means that you're going to probably have to put something over here or come in very gently so you don't mess up the servo underneath there. I have seen some people take the wing off and they put the aileron inside. They move everything to the inside, but that seems like a lot of work for a $90 plane.
And it's also small too.
Yeah. Oh, it looks like it's even got
I just want to fly the plane and have fun.
it's got a carbon spar down through the fuselage too, so to stiffen it this way a little bit from side to side just to give it a little strength.
That's nice.
Okay, so our next episode, what we're going to do is I'll have this all together, and then we'll hopefully be at the flying field with this one and a couple other little planes. We probably won't have the other big one, the Fun Cub, done yet, but we'll go ahead and get this one up and going, and then his Hobby Zone one, and then I have another little plane that I got, the EX Hobbies 342 S-Bach, which is a handful of a plane, but it's also really fun.
It's very, very twitchy.
Yeah, it's very twitchy, but it handles very good. It can do 3D if you really want. All right, thank you very much for watching. We'll see you on the next episode.